Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vinay Tech. This is Balaji, and I work for Wells Fargo. So basically, I have been into MSBI and Power BI, Azure BI. This is my core area. I have totally 18 years of experience, in which 16 years into MSBI. Right? All right, then. I started working on MSBI starting from 2006. That was in the version of 2005 version, SQL Server 2005 version. Right? That is first MSBI stack from Microsoft Corporation, BI stack from Microsoft Corporation, right? So that's all about myself, very at very high level. So I'm going to start the things. MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Okay, friends. Before we talk about business intelligence tools from Microsoft Corporation, what is business intelligence first of all? Because, sir, you people has decided to set your roadmap towards business intelligence team. If someone asks you, you should be in a position to answer the question, right? Your brother was asking, the brother is asking, hey, what is business intelligence? If you say don't know, he'll scold me, right? So I would like to start with what is business intelligence? I have another question. What is the outcome of the business intelligence? Outcome of the business, what is the goal? Outcome of the business intelligence? I have these two questions. And then we can talk about MSBI and then next concepts. Right, Amma? Can someone want to answer this? What is business intelligence? Anyone of you guys want to try out? Let us make it more interactive, Amma. I should say something, you should listen it. No, it should not be the case. You should talk whatever you want. Right? Yes, please. Yes, please. What do you guys? Anyone want to answer my question like what is business intelligence? No one. Okay. Right. Sir, I will start with the business intelligence. Right. So I'll take the help of MS Paint so that I can explain in a better way with an example. Right. Friends, observe here. Sir, we have Vinay Tech from different branches. Assume that we have Vinay Tech in Hyderabad. This is from Hyderabad. And this is from Bangalore. And this is from Chennai. We have three different branches. So this is my Hyderabad branch. Right? Hyderabad branch. Okay. Here, what we maintain? What we maintain exactly? What exactly we maintain as part of the business? What do we maintain over here? So we maintain this. Guys, please go on mute because it's recording, right? It's recording. Right. What do we maintain exactly? We maintain student details, their course details, fee details, right? Paid by each student, and my resources details like my counselor, receptionist, and all the details, my address details, and everything. So generally, where do we maintain the business data? Right? Where do we maintain the business data? Guys, I need an answer. We can maintain the data in the databases and file systems. Right? What do you mean by databases? SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, DB2, MySQL. These are all the different databases available in the market. And how about file systems? Excel, XML, flat file, raw file, different file systems. Okay. So these are all the different places where we maintain our business data. Right then, chalo. Sir, all my Hyderabad branch details are in Excel. For example, can't we maintain the data in Excel? Yes, we can. Next one. All my Bangalore branch details are in Oracle system. And Chennai branch details are in my yes, in my Teradata. Yeah, please. So we have three branches. Each branch has been maintaining their own specific data in three different systems. One is Excel. All of my Hyderabad branch details are in my Excel, and Bangalore branch details are in Oracle, and Chennai branch details are in Teradata, right? So we have three branches. Now see, all my Hyderabad branch details are in Excel system, right? Bangalore branch details are in Oracle, and Chennai branch details are in Teradata systems. So these are all the different database file systems where we maintain our business data. Right? When I say business data, student details, course details, fee details, and then curriculum details, my employees details, my receptionist details, and everything. Right? Okay. Right. Now, sir, listen, guys. Listen. Infosys generated 35% revenue for quarter 3, 2024, 2022. Right? In the same way, TCS has generated 45% revenue for quarter 3, 2022. Right? Do you think this 35% revenue has generated more? Right? No. No, that's not from Hyderabad. It is from. So this 35% revenue is nothing but a consolidated revenue generated across all branches. Sir, Ambani family is having millions of stores. If they expect one, if they expect one, I need.
Excuse me, sir. Your voice was not clear.
My voice is not clear to everyone, or else it is only for one guy. Can someone confirm it, Amma?
Now it is okay, sir.
It's okay. Fine then. Yeah, maybe network issue, Amma. Excuse me that. Right. So, friends, so even TCS has generated 45% revenue for quarter 3, 2022. That is also across all their branches, right? For one stream, TCS is having is nothing but a consultancy services, right? Tata Consultancy Services is nothing but a software wing. They have different wings, but it's specific to one stream, but across all the branches. In the same way, what is the total revenue generated across all my branches? I have three branches. I'm least bothered about one branch. I need a consolidated revenue that has been generated across all my branches. You got my question, right? So for that purpose, see, branch manager 1, 2, 3. I have three branch managers. I can expect three reports. I don't have time to analyze three reports. Give me one report. Combine all these three reports into one report. You give me that. I can go ahead for further analytics purpose. Yes or no? Right. So for that purpose, I'm going ahead and configure this particular database. This is my database. What is this? This is my database. What is this? This is been configured with SQL Server. And here we have a database called EDB, Enterprise Database. Enterprise database that branches enterprise level information, not to specific to one area or else one region or else one branch. So here I configured SQL Server and we have a database called enterprise database. Right? Yeah, right. So here with the database extension, full form is enterprise database. Emma? Right, we can close that. We can close that. But sir, so what you are trying to do? I want to maintain Excel data Oracle data, Teradata into SQL Server system. Friends, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. I'm traveling from Hyderabad. What is my source? Hyderabad. What is my source? Bangalore. See, what is my source? Guys,
Hello, sir.
yes, yes, please.
Sir, your voice is too low, sir.
Oh my God. How come it's too low? 1 second, 1 second. Let me check that.
Now, sir, now it is clear.
I am speaking with high volume, man. I don't know where, like, can you please increase your machine's volume actually? Can you please increase that?
It is okay, sir.
Okay,
Now
fine
it
then.
is okay.
Oh, okay, fine then. Good, 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 good. Okay. So, friends, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Mumbai. So, here Hyderabad is my source, is a point from where I start my journey. And Mumbai is my destination, where I stop my journey. Yes or no? In the same way, I am trying to getting the data from multiple sources. See here, source 1 is Excel, source 2 is Oracle, source 3 is Teradata. What is my destination? Where I'm going to place the data? SQL Server. So, okay, I'm a bus driver. Assume that I'm a bus driver. I pick the passengers from Dilshuk Nagar and then like Amirpet, SR Nagar and BHL. So I'm collecting the people, passengers from different locations and drop them in Pune, yes, or else Mumbai. Yes or no? In the same way, being a driver who drives the data, I am trying to selecting the data from multiple sources into one destination. Are you clear now? Yes, you can see that here. You are trying to selecting the data, reading the data, getting the data, fetching out the data from multiple sources into one destination, right? But but you can't theoretically okay, but practically you can't do that. You can't combine all this data in one database. You can't do that. So how do we manage it then? So because Excel has its own data types and that SQL Server has its own data types. You can't combine these two directly. Oracle has its own data types and the data structures, and the SQL Server has its own data structure. You can't club them directly. In the same way, Teradata has its own structure and the SQL Server has its own structure. You can't do it directly. Emma? So that's where exactly transformation area will comes into the picture. Am I clear? Right? You get the data from source 1 to transformation area, source 2 to transformation area, source 3 to transformation area. You combine it over here, merge it over here. Merged data will load into the destination system. We call this process as data integration. We started with something, with an example, and we approach it like we reached at some point, right? What we call this totally data integration, and also call it as extraction, transformation, and loading. All right. What do you mean by this statement? And how do we justify these words? Right, Amma? Right. Sir, data integration. Actually, that's the number. We go full factors and this real was this. No, that's fine. Sample and wait, one bit switch up, right? Yeah. Can we really bear for one day? Will be clean, right? Bear for one day today. Yeah. See, it's comfortable. Right. Now see, what do you mean by data integration? Integration means combine. What do you want to combine? People? No, data. Right? I would like to integrate the data. I would like to integrate the data which is coming from multiple and different sources into one destination. So this is my source system. source systems, and this is my destination system. And this is my transformation area or else staging area, where we apply some transformations to combine the data. Are we good now? Right? For example, I have 1500 records over here, and here I have 2000 records, and here we have 2500 records. If I perform data integration, how many records that you are expecting? Emma, 5000 records. It's a consolidation, right? Combining. Are you able to understand? Yeah, are you able to understand? Right? Online
Yes, sir.
guys?
Yes.
Online
sir.
guys? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, you have the consolidated data, latest data in a database. Use this for our data visualization. Power BI comes into the picture. All right. I'm going ahead and consider this one. This is my report. Assume that this is my chart report. Chart. All right. And what is the source for this chart? Okay. Right. So this is our report. Report design. Or else data visualization. Data visualization. What exactly you visualized here? Sir, here I have Q1 data, Q2 data, Q3 data, and then Q4, right? For 2021. Emma? Oh, right, okay. Right. 2021 data. Emma? Right. On y-axis, we have revenue-wise data. Revenue. Now see, in Q1, you have the report ending, right? Okay, what is your next action plan? You got your marks. What do you want to do? You just want to throw it in the wardrobe? No, you just open it and then try to analyze the report. Yes or no? In the same way, you got 25,000 rupees outstanding amount bill. Your Vodafone phone bill is 25,000 rupees, right? What do? You just want to pay the bill amount? No. What do you do then? You open it and then try to analyze the tariff part. So as soon as you get the report must be analyzed. It must be analyzed. So this report is nothing but data analysis. This is nothing but data analysis. Data analysis. So totally we call it as BI, that means business intelligence architecture diagram at very high level. All right. So this is our business intelligence architecture diagram. This is our business intelligence architecture diagram. Emma? So finally, what do you mean by business intelligence? Yeah, what do you mean by business intelligence there? So business intelligence means set of activities. What kind of activities involves in BI? No. First one, extract the data from the multiple sources. First activity. Extracted data must be transformed over here, processed over here. Processed data must load into the destination system. We call it as a extraction, transformation, and loading process. Simply, we call it as a data integration. Integrate the data which is coming from multiple and different sources into one destination. Yes, Amma, right? And the next activity is data visualization. And so prepare the report. Report must be distributed to all your business analytics team who can start the analysis process. is nothing but a data analysis. Only clearer. I'll write the things over here so that I can share this material with you guys. So, business intelligence is nothing but a set of activities. A set of activities. What kind of activities involves in BI? First, data integration or else ETL process. ETL full form, extraction, transformation and loading. Yeah, loading, whatever. Loading. And next, data visualization, reporting, right? That's where exactly Power BI, Tableau, SSRS, ClickView, OBIE, Actuate, these things will come into the picture. SAP BO, MicroStrategy, these things will come into the picture, right? Data visualization, right? What next then? Data analysis. These are all the common activities that you see in any BI. Doesn't matter whether it is MSBI, Power BI, SAS BI, Oracle BI, Teradata BI, doesn't matter. These are all the common activities which you come across. Emma? Online guys? Online guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, Emma?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Fine. Right. What is our next question that we need to answer? What is the outcome of the business intelligence? Why companies and clients are so enthusiastic in the implementation of BI solutions? Why? So, there is an outcome of it. What is the outcome of the business intelligence? Why did we go ahead and design this one by putting a lot of efforts in terms of money and time, right? Why are we doing that? Okay, your good name, please. Shiva, right. Shiva, you got a phone bill with 25,000 rupees a bill amount. What do you do? So you got the bill amount and you are done with your analysis. As part of your analysis, you got to know your fiancée sits in UK. She is working for client, right? You use it to call her and the conversation has been going for long hours because of IST call. You got 25,000 rupees bill. Emma? So this is your analysis. Oh my God, this is your analysis. So that is what we do as part of this one, data analysis. Okay, what is the next action plan? My salary is 50,000, right? My bill amount is 25,000. So there is no savings at all. I want to reduce the bill amount. I want to reduce the bill amount in the next future months. So you take a decision to reduce the bill amount. How do we reduce the bill amount? You decide to talk less number of hours, first solution, or else make like you call to call center, make the IST call enabled on your SIM card. You decide to go ahead and go with either of these two plans, automatically your bill amount will be reduced in the future months. So after thorough analysis, you will be in a better position to take a better decision. Right, Amma? The ultimate goal or outcome of any BI is decision making. Only clearer? So that's the reason we also call this structure as decision making system. Decision making system. DMS. We call it as DMS. or DSS. Decision supporting system. Decision supporting system. Here, this total system makes you to take a better decision. This total system supports you in taking a better decision. That would improve your customer satisfaction, that would improve your sales, that would improve your revenue and everything. Only clear? Right. So the ultimate goal of BI is for better decision making. We implement business solutions for better decision making. Yeah, right. Any questions, guys? Online and offline?
No, sir.
Any questions, Amma? Friends, I see only very less number of emails. So whoever want to have the recording session, you just share your email ID and then contact number, guys. I'm promising you, we are not going to bother you if you don't like to join. It's completely your decision. You can feel free to provide your details. Okay. Yes, please. Okay. Next one. Next one. Sir, what like MSBI? Let's go with MSBI then. MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Sorry. Intelligence. So, tools. What are MSBI tools? Let us talk about our specific tool, our core area. Right. SSIS. First one is SSIS. Right. We should not say it's SSIS demo. It's MSBI demo. You are saying I come for SSIS demo. It's MSBI demo. It combines combination of all these three tools, right? Yeah, I'm just correcting you, nothing else. Right. What is the full form of SSIS? SQL Server Integration Services. Right? Okay. This is a BI tool from Microsoft. So, being a BI tool, where exactly it can fit into in the total architecture, BI architecture? What activities can be achieved by using SSIS in this total diagram? So SSIS is a data integration tool. I stands for integration. SQL Server Integration Services. It's an ETL tool or else a data integration tool from Microsoft Corporation. So SSIS is a data integration tool. This total functionality can be achieved by using SSIS. Yes, done? Okay. Right. Let us mention over here. SSIS is a data integration or else ETL tool. Emma, next one. SSRS. SQL Server Reporting Services. What it does, where it helps us in performing something. So it helps us in performing a report design or else data visualization. Right? So where it can fit into this one? Here it is. This portion can be achieved by using SSRS. Only clear? Any confusions from online and offline? No confusions. Okay. SSAS. SQL Server Analysis Services. So basically, this is for data analysis by using two models. Multi-dimensional model or tabular models. We'll be discussing both the models in SSAS. Right? Right. I think you might have heard about it. Yes, sir. Tabular cube. Tabular Power BI is completely designed on the platform of tabular model. That's the reason DAX is the common language for both the tabular model and then Power BI. Yeah, you got that now? Yes. Okay. Friends. Friends. Right. Sir, what are the other ETL tools available in the market? So when I say phone, only Apple? No, we have so many phones available in the market. Right? Why Apple? In the same way, we have so many BI tools available in the market. Why MSBI then? I'm going to list out the things. Okay, man? What are the ETL tools available in the market? Informatica, Data Stage, Ab Initio, right? BODS, ODI, Pentaho, Alltrix, right? Talent. These are all the different ETL tools available in the market. Only ETL tools. Emma, clear? We have so many, right? And then BODS as well. Yeah, mentioned it. What are the other reporting cum analytical tools? Power BI, W, like a Click View, right? Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, MicroStrategy, Cognos, right? Actuate, and then yeah, Jasper reports, IPCO Spotfire. Now, so many tools. Okay, from different vendors. Okay, I'll list out. Informatica from Informatica Corporation, Data Stage from IBM, Ab initio from abinitio.com, BODS from SAP, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator from Oracle Corporation, Pentaho from Pentaho Corporation, Alteryx from Alteryx, Talent from Talent.com. All right, and Power BI from Microsoft, Tableau from Tableau.com, ClickView.com, Microsoft.com, Cognos from IBM, Actuate.com. This is Jasper.com, Tipco.com, Tipco Spotfire. All right, right, sir. Even though we have so many tools available in the, so many BI tools available in the market, why should I land and set my roadmap towards MSBI only? Why I can see so many jobs in the market only for MSBI? So that's what my question is. Why MSBI? Someone will ask you, right? We should be in a position to answer the question confidently. Right. Why MSBI? Sir, I have a BI project and in my company, I have a BI project. When I say BI project, you need to have ETL tools, right? And reporting and analysis tools, and you need a server as well. You need a server where you can maintain the consolidated data, business data, right? Right. Sir, I was not aware of MSBI and I purchased Informatica tool. You know, Informatica license cost 25 to 30 lakhs. One license for one machine. It's too much costlier. Even though it's old tool, right? It's too much costlier. And even though if I put 25 lakhs for one license, right? It supports only ETL operations. It doesn't support other operations, right? Okay. For reporting come analysis purpose, I would like to go for Tableau. Tableau license cost is $425 dollars for every year that you need to pay. $425 for every year. Every year, right? As part of support and maintenance and server. Oracle rack servers. Oracle rack servers. Almost 3/4 of my bank amount is gone just to set up the infrastructure tools. Then who will operate them? You need to recruit the associates, SRE. 2 members for this one. 1 member for reporting and 1 Oracle DBA. 1 Oracle DBA. Bank amount is 0 now. Because you have to purchase every tool, everything. For example, Deepavali is coming. Bajaj Electronics has declared an offer. Hey, when you purchase a Sony Bravia 55 inches TV, Tata Sky dish is free, delivery is free, installation is free, and 1 year South pack free. Is that good, right? Is that good? Yes, it is good. So when you purchase TV, remaining surroundings are free. In the same way, when I purchase SQL Server, MSBI tools are for free of cost. When I purchase SQL Server, MSBI tools are, all 3 tools are for free of cost. You need not to pay single NP for that. That's the reason we call it as first 2S stands for. First 2S stands for SQL Server. SQL Server integration services, SQL Server reporting services, SQL Server analysis services. These 3 are built-in components of your SQL Server. When you purchase the server, SQL Server, you will be getting all these 3 for free of cost. So it would save a lot of cost for my client. So definitely he shows interest towards this. If he shows towards the interest, this he will be expecting a project. If I have project, I will be having a requirement. That is how we produce the jobs. Yavandi, clear? Guys, clear, amma? Guys, clear, amma?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Okay. So because of this reason, so first advantage is advantage one. First one is cost effective. Next one. Sir, it's free. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నప్పుడు కట్నం ఏం తీసుకోలేదు అనుకోండి రైట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ టేక్ ఎనీ డౌరీ హే డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డిఫెక్ట్ పీపుల్ దట్ ఈస్ హౌ పీపుల్ వుడ్ బి అండర్ ఇంప్రెషన్ right if I take 5 crores dowry, oh he's very good, he's taking how like maybe he's earning more amount of salaries, so people are in a different way. So free of cost means however the performance cost free, you're not paying single NP for that. However the performance, its performance is far better than the existing tools available in the market, far better with new features. Microsoft is keep on adding enhancements to the existing tool, right? More, far better, more performance, more powerful in terms of the performance, right? Right. Next one, security. We think in all aspects, right? Security. Sir, SQL Server has its own firewall mechanism. So if you have SQL Server firewall mechanism means that is applicable to SSIS, RS and ASS. So SSIS has protection level concept, right? You can provide the security to the whole SSIS ETL packages or else only sensitive portions of the packages. So every tool has its own security mechanism. Security, good security, right? And easy, all Microsoft products are easy to use, user friendly. What else you required, Amma? Right? These 4 are more than sufficient, right? User friendly, more features, more securable, and zero cost. Friends, are you clear, Amma? Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. Any questions so far, guys? Any questions, Amma? Any questions? Okay, fine. Sir, please, friends, let's make it more interactive, Amma. Make it more interactive, right? Yeah, ask as much as like as many questions as you can, right? Next one, sir, right? So that way, this is more useful. Okay, sir. Next one, duration, sir. Sir, totally we have SSIS. SSIS takes 25 to 30 hours a day. Hours, I mean to say, hours. SSRS takes 10 to 13 hours. Again, SSAS takes 10 to 12 hours. Totally, 45 hours is nothing but 2 months. Right? Totally, we have 3 batches. Hey, Balaji, no, I am rushing to something. My office has been opened, right? So I can't attend for 2 months. Or else I'm traveling to somewhere else. I can't afford for 2 months. Means we have totally 3 batches. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. This 9 a.m., I'm going to start SSIS from tomorrow onwards. That would take 30 hours. So I'm going to start SSIS. So you will be completing SSIS in our own batch 9 a.m. Yes or no? Right. So in another couple of days, in another 2 to 3 days, I'm going to start SSRS in 7 a.m. and then SSIS. That would take 25 hours again. So you have to attend both 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. to finish the course within 1 month. But you should have enough time to do practice. That is only the concern. Yes, sir, I have 24 hours free. I have a lot of time. I can afford at least 4 to 5 hours a day so that I can get a job in 1 month. Then attend it. No one is going to restrict you. Emma? Friends, are you clear, Amma? Okay. What is the prerequisite for MSBI? SQL is the prerequisite. Sir, people says that so many things. This is my 16th year on MSBI, right? Yes. So people says that so many things, and this is my 12th year on MSBI teaching. I started teaching July 2010. It's more than 12 years, right? So people says many things. You come to us and then join us. SQL is not required. Only select statement is required. Select statement doesn't work out. Select statement with multiple tables and you convert it to a stored procedure, or else it can be a dynamic stored procedure, or else use it. I am not scaring you guys. If you go for interview, I am not scaring you. I am telling you the fact. If you go for interview, 50% would be on SQL, 50% interview would be on MSBI. For sure. In some cases, 90% SQL, 10% MSBI. Right? SQL is very, very important. I would request you to learn it simultaneously by 1500, 2000. It's very minimal amount. No, I'm not saying minimal amount, it's small amount. Right? So that is the prerequisite. Okay. If you can ask me, sir, I am not from computers background, I have zero knowledge on SQL. I would request you to learn it simultaneously. Because, sir, we have Sridhar who takes care of the SQL. Sridhar and myself will be on sync. That means whatever the topics that he covers, I will be taking and making use of them in the MSBI. For example, if he covers insert, update, delete, these things, I will be making use of them in my MSBI, SSIS. If he covers joins, I'll make use of them in the SSIS. So we both will be on sync basically. So not only here, wherever you join, I would request you to go through that. No, Balaji, if you have any videos, share me. I have videos, right? 4 videos, 8 to 9 hours video, that is all 4, right? 2 to 2 hours video, 2.5 hours video, which covers major portions of SQL, which we use very much frequently in our real-time environment. All right, Andy? Friends, clear? Are you following me? Guys, please, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, if you want, I can share those 4 recording sessions. And no, Balaji, I want you to take care of the advanced SQL server for a couple of 1 or 2 weeks. I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to do that. But if you want me to cover advanced SQL that includes stored procedures, dynamic stored procedures, materialized views, and your the defined functions. I'll be covering all these 4, but you should have the basic things, right? Right? Yeah. I would request you to go through that. Once you are ready with the basic things, I'm happy to take over the sessions over the weekend, Saturday, for couple of weeks, couple of hours. So that covers all your stored procedures, your defined stored procedures, defined functions, dynamic stored procedures, and materialized views and materialized views. I will be covering all these 5. If you are required, no means your wish. That saves a lot of time for me as well. So it's all your vision. If you ask me, if you come to me and then ask me, I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to do that. I'm always supports you guys if you are really interested. Yes. So guys, I'm done. So I just want to continue in tomorrow's session, Amma. So as part of today's session, we discussed what is business intelligence, what is the outcome of the business intelligence in detail, and what are the MSBI tools, right? And we also discussed about why MSBI, what are the advantages of MSBI and duration of MSBI, and like timing details. Your session would be on 9 a.m. from tomorrow onwards. 9 a.m. Right. Also, and also we discussed about the prerequisite. That is the prerequisite for any BI and D. Any BI, not only for MSBI. Right. If you know SQL, you can sustain in the market anywhere in the globe. Globe, not in India. SQL is very, very important. Right. Any other questions, Amma? Guys, any other questions? Online guys,
No, sir.
was that
No,
clear?
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, Amma.
Sir, within 1 year, within 1 month, you'd cover with both MSBA and MS SQL, sir.
No, sir. Yeah. See, that's what. MS SQL takes 2 months, 1 month course. Sir. He takes 1 hour and he finishes in 1 month. Sir. 1 or 2 hours, I guess. I don't know exactly. But I will be covering Vishnu. I think you haven't cleared it.
Okay.
By default, it takes 2 months. Amma. If you go for
Okay,
1
sir,
hour,
I understand,
1
sir.
session. 1 hour, 1 session.
MSBA is okay, sir, for us, for
Ah.
me. I want to know the SQL, sir.
SQL takes 1 month.
Okay, sir.
2 hours, 1 month. Yes, Vishnu, are you clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, clear, sir.
Okay. Was that clear, Amma? Concept wise? Are you able to understand? Guys, are you able to understand?
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yeah, please. Chaitanya. Yes,
Yes, sir.
please.
Sir, you're going to cover this SQL also, no, sir, in this MSBA, or else we need to take separate sessions for SQL?
That's what Chaitanya. Right. I will be covering advanced SQL, Amma. That would be useful for our project purpose. Once you deploy it into the organization, and I'll be covering advanced. If you are, but it is only for MSBI. I'm going to take over only MSBI. Based on your interest, based on your request, sir, I am more interested in stored procedures or else any other concepts. I'm happy to do that. But you are going to pay for only MSBI. If you want to go for SQL, right, other faculty will take care of it. But if you ask me to take over advanced concepts, I will be taking care of it for free of cost.
Okay,
Yes, Amma. I hope I answered your question.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I will be.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Yes, Vishnu.
sir, if you are taking MSBA in morning section, can you adjust SQL in evening section, sir?
No, I can't. Because after 10, I won't be available, man. Because I'm a senior architect in one of the organization, I can't afford anything in the weekend. I can take out the sessions, but I will be having the calls starting from 6 p.m. IST till 11:30. So I can't take any sessions in the evening, Amma Vishnu.
Sir, only in weekend you will take it, sir?
Yeah, only weekend I will be taking care of it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, approximately it will take 1.5 months, sir. Both the MSBA and MS SQL.
Vishnu, only MSBI takes 2 months, Amma. Only SQL takes
Okay.
1 month.
Okay.
Because here MSBI is only 1 hour per day. That means it's a 60 hours.
Sir, I will join in 7 p.m. 7 a.m. section and 9 a.m. section, sir.
Right, Amma? Sure. No problem, Vishnu. No, you are
Sir,
welcome,
hello.
Vishnu. People does that, Vishnu. People does that. Because whoever want to finish the course as early as possible, they will join. I will announce in our session saying that, hey, I'm going to start the
Sir,
SSRS.
your voice is not clear, sir.
Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Is it
Okay,
fine
sir.
now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Is
Yes,
it,
sir.
is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right. So, see, that's what Vishnu, what I was trying to say is, If you want to join in both the sessions, right, you are most welcome so that you can finish the course in 30 days, 1 month. People does that. Those are whoever want to finish their course in 1 month, people does that. I will announce in our 9 a.m. batch saying that I'm going to start SSRS in 7 a.m. batch. You people can join it. No one is going to stop here. We have that feasibility. Yes.
So SSIS is not linked to SSRS and SSIS.
No, sir. No. In real time, all these three things are linked, sir. But in training purpose, it's not, sir. It is not.
So
Because
simultaneously we can learn both.
yeah, we can learn it. Because see, after SSIS, we'll be having the latest data. We assume that we have the latest data and then start preparing the reports. Yes, Chaitanya? Yeah. I hope I have all of you guys provided the details. Yes, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
not, then please provide me your details so that I can share the recording session.